garden of words. Start with G H I. Part 3 इंग्लिश अल्फाज और उर्दू मानी। G-O-O-D good. Good means अच्छा। G-L-O-W glow. Glow means चमक। G-L-A-S-S glass. Glass means शीशा। G-O-D God. God means खुदा। G-R-A-M-M-A-R grammar. Grammar means कवायद। G-R-A-P-E grape. Grapes means अंगूर। G-R-A-N-T grant. Grant means मंजूर। G-R-E-E-D-Y greedy. Greedy means लालची। G-U-N gun. Gun means बंदूक। G-I-R-L girl. Girl means लड़की। G-U-E-S-T guest. Guest means मेहमान। G-U-I-D-E guide. Guide means रहबर। G-R-O-W grow. Grow means उगना। G-A-R-L-I-C garlic. Garlic means लहसुन। G-A-M-E game. Game means खेल। G-A-R-D-E-N garden. Garden means बाग। G-R-A-S-S grass. Grass means घास। G-O-L-D gold. Gold means सोना। G-U-E-S-S guess. Guess means अंदाजा। G-A-R-B-A-G-E garbage. Garbage means कचरा। H-A-I-R hair. Hair means बाल। H-A-M-M-A-R hammer. Hammer means hatauda. HARD, hard. Hard means सख्त. HANDSOME, handsome. Handsome means खूबसूरत. HAND, hand. Hand means हाथ. HUT, hut. Hut means झोपड़ी. HOST, host. Host means मेजबान. HORSE, horse. Horse means घोड़ा. HOUSE, house. House means घर. HALF, half. Half means nisf. HEAVEN, heaven. Heaven means Jannat. HEALTH, health. Health means सेहत. HONEY, honey. Honey means शहद. HUNGER, hunger. Hunger means भूख. HUMBLE, humble. Humble means आजीजी. HOT, hot. Hot means garam. HAPPY, happy. Happy means खुशी. HANDLE, handle. Handle means दस्ता. HELP, help. Help means मदद. HOLIDAY, holiday. Holiday means छुट्टी. ILL, ill means बीमार. IDEAL, ideal. Ideal means मिसाली. ICE, ice. Ice means बर्फ. INSECT, insect. Insect means कीड़े मकोड़े. IMAGE, image. Image means अक्स. INTERNAL, internal. Internal means अंदरूनी. I M P O R T. Import. Import means daramad. I N T E R V A L. Interval. Interval means waqfa. I D E A. Idea. Idea means Rai. I N K. Ink. Ink means siyai. I M P O R T A N T. Important. Important means अहमियत का. I N S T A N T. Instant. Instant means foreign. I G N O R E. Ignore. Ignore means नजरअंदाज करना. I M P A C T. Impact. Impact means नतीजा. I N G U R Y. Injury. Injury means जख्म. I N T E N T I O N. Intention. Intention means मकसद. I D E N T I F Y. Identify. Identify means शनाख्त करना. I N T E L L I G E N T. Intelligent. Intelligent means ज़हीन. I N C O M E. Income. Income means तनख्वाह. तनख्वाह. I M P O S S I B L E. Impossible. Impossible means नामुमकिन. Thank you.